Hi Chris, this is one of our local gardening centres, hardware come gardening centres, and I just thought I'd take you around here very quickly and just show you the seed range they've got. So we got the usual fly traps, as you can probably see, pot culling. So you got the red ones there, you got some of these ones. They seem to come into the store at certain times of the year sort of thing, so yeah. Anyway, back to normal focus. And I'll just take over to the seed area. Hopefully the colour's changing now, so it's adjusted for inside lighting. It probably takes a while though. These are all bulbs and stuff, but I think you're the one that's interested in the STURT Desert Pea. So we've got fertilisers down there, we've got the numbers going down there, and somewhere down here we have seed, or here general reticulation or irrigation. Somewhere down here we've got seeds. Well, I thought we had seeds. It was in a little alcove or something with seed or something. Yeah, it was a little alcove with seeds in it or something. No, where is it? Lost it. Mrs. Fothergill's seed. Oh, here we go. So we've got this little alcove of seed in here, and this is the one you want, the STURT Desert Pea. According to the pricing, it's going to be under $5, but you know, plus postage. I don't know how many seeds you get in these packets, but you know, beggars can't be choosers, as they say. You just got to try it. But I do have a friend from uni that a lecturer from uni who got into growing these things, and he used to play around all the different coloured forms and stuff, so you never know. Yeah, put in a good word for you, I reckon I could. But lives in the area, or used to. So anyway, if there's anything else you can see, just sing out. Well, that's about it. Okay, well there you go, Chris. Over and out. See ya.